Hi, in this video we are going to see the Bigdbiz Hotel Software demo. That is the room booking management system as well as the restaurant. So some hotels will be having the restaurants along with that. So we'll have the billing along with this demo. So let me start with this. And this is the home landing page. When you open it, so you can see all the details in the dashboard like booked rooms, vacant rooms, for check-in, checkouts, so booked history, advanced booking history, everything. And first we can start with the master settings like expense, bank master, room type master, floor master, create room, agent, other, food and amenities, purpose master, laundry, employee master, daily report. Now you can see first this is really expense master, which is account related. So you can create group like general expenses, other expenses, salary expenses. Based on that you can create n number of ledger names here. So we have created a ledger names here. Then bank master, so to which bank account your transaction is done, so that bank names can be included here like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. So if you are issuing a check or online transaction, you can note down the bank names here. So it will be used during the transactions. Like the room type, so room type is nothing but the types of room you're having in the hotel, like standard, executive, comfort executive. For each room type there will be multiple types of cost like single, double, triple. So we have created based on that requirement. And next comes the floor master. So number of floors you are having in your restaurant will be listed here, like ground floor, first floor, same way. So in case if your ground floor starts with 101, the series will be followed in the same floor till what the number exists, like first floor, second floor, based on that. Next comes the create rooming. So when you create the room type, it will be listed here, then floor number of floor, first floor, then whether it's double AC, room type, standard GST. So you can change the GST percentage based on the requirement. If you want to make a single addition of the room, also you can do it. Otherwise, if you want to make a bulk addition, number of rooms, if you create 10, what will happen is on standard the first floor, the double AC type, so it will start from the series. If in case the first floor starts with 201, so 201 till 210, 10 rooms will be created. So the cost will be mapped along when you create the room type. So based on room type, that will be mapped along with the rooms. So for example, standard room, double AC, first floor, the room number 108 is 10150 for single and double. It doesn't have triple, doesn't have any cost because standard room there is no triple. So you can make changes individually also. The GST percentage will be shown here. So now we have created the rooms. Once we done it, then we will be having agents like Go IBO, Make My Trip, OIBO. So those people details can be added here. This will be used in the registration purpose. So when a customer comes inside, so through which agent he has come, so we can take a separate report for that. For this purpose we create an agent master. Then comes the other details like any miscellaneous, laundry, extra bed. These are the expenses types other than to be included in the customer bill. So other than staying in the room, he'll be including laundry or extra bed like facility charges. So that can be incurred in his bill. So that charges can be added here. Next comes the food and amenities. So if you are not running any, for example, you are not having a restaurant, but you'll be providing food to the customers by purchasing from outside. So that details can be added here. The food details can be added here. That food details can be added along with the bill. So we are having separate billing section for the restaurant. When you use this one, when you're having restaurant, if you don't have a restaurant, you can use this food and amenity master to add the food cost to the room bill. Next comes the purpose master. So for example, if the customer comes for a business purpose or personal or temple for a temple visit, if it is an outstation, there's a hill station, then you can use as a leisure. So these purpose details can be added here, and this will be used in the registration purpose, and you can take the details of a report, separate purpose master. Next comes the laundry items. So we are having laundry transaction here, laundry in, out and stock. So for that purpose, how much towels has been gone out, how many pillow cover has been gone out, how much you have got returned, so how much stock is there. So those details can be added here. This is the stock details. The washing cost is added. For example, for the towel total quantity is 200, that is the stock is 200, and the rate for washing one towel is 5 rupees. So that will be automatically calculated in the laundry section. We'll be seeing one by one now. Next comes the employee master. The employees like room boy, like that, everything can be added here. So this is a designation, room boy, sweeper, supervisor, that can be added here. Next comes the daily report. This is the daily report about the particular employee. You can from and to time, everything can be added here. So we have completely seen the master settings. Now once we set the master, this is a one-time setting that can be changed at any time. Next comes the reception. So this is the main thing. So whatever rooms we have created has been segmented based on the room floors, like 101 till 11119. This is the ground floor. This is the first floor. This is the second floor. So we are created based on the floors. Now we can see we have the options for reservation, bulk booking, additional charge incurring, bulk out, and block the room, shift room. So and we have categorized the rooms based on the colors. Like when it comes in blue color, it has been blocked room. So you will be maintaining any room for any repair charge. So that can be blocked for few days till that the room cannot be used for booking. Next comes the green. Green makes the available. The yellow is been reserved for future. Blue comes the unclean room. So these are the unclean rooms, and red is the occupied room. So to see the details about this particular room, you can have a click on that and you can see the details. Now let us start from the first thing. So when you click on a particular room, it navigates to your page for the room registration, the room number, check-in date, enquiry person, and double or single, whatever the things you just click, automatically it brings the tariff. So it is a double room, 1070 is the room tariff for one day, the tax is 210. You can either provide by discount as percentage or either by the amount. When you type this, the tax, everything will be calculated, and based on that the amount will be shown here. So next comes the advanced amount paid. So he can pay any advance that will be less, and this payment mode will be displayed here. The payment mode can be cash, credit card, or bank. Next comes here the customer mobile number. When you enter the mobile number, if he is already occupied, he is your regular customer, the automatic details will be displayed here. So I have provided a dummy name here. When I type here, when I type the mobile number, automatic customer name, address, then the city, state, that is the country, everything will be displayed here. And you just need to only change the details, GST number, in case you can see his previous stay history. You can see the previous history of the customer stay, and the photo preview, ID proof preview. So you can take photo from here. So if you want to take photo, if you have a camera, automatically you can take a photo, and at the same time you can upload that is the Aadhaar card number or any PAN card number or driving license can be copied from the local system. You can scan those copy. Otherwise, if you have already a reference, then you can take it from the previous section. And if you want to send a SMS to the customer for notification on the staying, then you can click SMS and click the check-in. So automatically SMS will be sent. If you don't want to send any SMS for the notification, then you can remove this SMS option. Then comes the ID proof details. So you can enter the ID proof number on manually also. The number of person going to stay here. The purpose of stay. So these will be added in the master. So based on that you can select this. And what is the reference type, whether they are walk-in or online. If they are online, then who is the partner for that? Go, card number, number of going to stay. So all the details should be filled, and you can click the check-in. So once you check in, what you get is a copy, a short copy of the advanced room paid. That's 500 rupees has been paid for this. Those details will be displayed here. You can take a bill copy printout. Now if you go and see reception, it has been occupied by the red color. So when you click this, you can see the details about the particular customer. Room number, grace hours. So the grace hours is 2 hours provided by 24, that is 26 hours for a check-in, for checkout. Check-in time, this number of days, comfort executive, rent, then discount, total charges, additional charges, bill amount, everything can be seen here. If you want to make a edit, you can edit this particular one. You can change the details. And more details about this, if you want to add some facility charges, miscellaneous charges, that will be extra. So if you want to make a standard charges like expenses like facility charges, miscellaneous charges other than the room rent, can be added here as 990. So additional to this, if you want to add more expenses if the customer requires, the 990 is added here, and you can see the total balance amount to be paid. And if he is making any additional advance, so if he's going to stay for 3 days, In between on second he's coming and paying you another 1,000 rupees as an advance amount. So that details can be added here. If he's paying 1,000 rupees here as a cash or card, that can be added here. So that will be displayed here as a bill copy advance. So balance has been reduced. You can see the details here. You can come back. All the details can be seen. When you go for checkout, so you can see the room rent for on 7th, facility charges, miscellaneous charges, and total bill will be displayed here. So if you want to make a printout, it automatically checks out. So who is checking out? This that is the employee name can be selected here. If you want to send SMS during the checkout, you can make a tick mark and you can take a printout. This is the total paid amount. If you want to make a changes, also you can do it in the payment mode. You can take a printout. Now this bill copy will be shown here. These are details. So now this has been an unclean room. If you want to clean the particular unclean room, I can use the separate option here, clean room option. So select the room number, select the room boy who is going to clean it, supervisor name, clean it. So that report will be saved here. Now bulk booking option is also available. When you click that, you can see the room available check. You can select multiple rooms at the same time. Okay, so the total cost will be generated here. So this is the bulk check-in. If you want the bulk checkout, you can select those room numbers. So we have to create the same type of rooms here. I have to create two, 3 rooms here. Bulk booking. Okay. So 3 rooms has been checked in. When you click those details, you can select only 2 rooms for that, and you can check out. Otherwise you can make all those 3 rooms. Otherwise only 1 room. So it's based on your requirement. Now when you see reception, all these 3 rooms has been occupied by the same guest name at the same time. So if you want to block a particular room for maintenance, you can select a particular room. We can, let us see, for example, if you want to block 201 blocking rooms, 201, already 118 has been blocked. You can make a release on that 209, and we are just making 201 as a block. So this room cannot be, when you click, it won't be able to make a booking here. And same time, if you want to shift a room, particular room, so 104 is not comfortable, the customer is requesting for higher grade room, so you can shift a particular room from one type to another one. So you can see here 103 is been shifted to 109. Now 103 is an unclean room. You can change as a clean room, and you can start making a booking. So till then that you cannot make a booking. Since it's an unclean room, you have to convert as a clean room. Then only it will be available for bookings. So we have completely seen all these details. So for example, I'm just clicking a reservation. You can select the room type. The room cannot be selected for reservation. Room type can be selected. You can make a booking. So when you click the particular room type, total number of rooms available and that type can be displayed here. That is available on the particular date, because when at time of check-in, some rooms will be occupied previously by customers. So you can check whether those rooms are available, those types of rooms are available. Yes, 27 rooms are available on this type. So I can make I can proceed on that. So when I make, what happens is automatically a reservation will be created. At that time you can make a booking. Till before that you cannot make a booking. So on reservation, this is for the current month, this is for the next month. So for on 11th, so this will be showed here. So customer name, when he booked, all the details, room cost, everything will be showed here. When you want to cancel this room, you can cancel. When you book, what will show is, sorry, the booking cannot be done for the advanced date because he is going to check in on 18th. So till then that you cannot make a booking. So this is the details about the reception. So we can see the overall view about this particular hotel. That is the total number of rooms booked, total number of rooms available, how many rooms have been booked advance, total number of rooms booked rooms, advanced rooms, available rooms, unclean rooms. So you can see all those details. For example, if you're getting any phone inquiry, that particular customer is going to come on that day. So if but it's not reserved, just make us an inquiry. You can add inquiry, person name, mobile number, total number of days he's going to stay, who has made this inquiry, who has attended this call, and what type of room he wants, AC, non-AC or hall. That can be detailed here. Check-in, check-out, comments, all those details can be added here. And already we showed about the clean room. This is the report who had made the clean, that we already created the particular summary report, like Gerald 103 has cleaned that particular room. This is the person name, Bhagyaraj. Okay, now comes the laundry. So laundry is nothing but number of towels or bed sheets have been gone for washing. 100 available stock here. In that 50 has been gone out. That is 10 rupees for washing. This is the cost. Same way for towel HCP. This is 60 total available. We are selling 40 for washing. 540. So on this is the out. So it has gone for washing. Now this has been created here. This is laundry out. So number of products have been gone for washing will be displayed here. You cannot make any changes. Once you've done it, you can exit. After washing, you have received the total products, so that can be added here. When you select the bill number, so based on bill number, 50 has been sent for washing, and totally how much quantity you have received. In case if you have received only 30 quantity of bed sheet and 20 quantity of towels, when you receive it partially, so those details can be entered here and you save it. So you can see this is totally paid one, this is the pending details. So this is the available quantity, total still some washing has been to be completed. So 50 we have sent, 30 we have received, totally 80 quantities available in the stock, 20 is been out. Same way for 200 quantity, 40 has been for wash and we have to receive 160. So we have to receive so much of quantity from the towel. So all those details can be seen here. This is the bill number 1 is pending bills. So it will be easy when you have lots of bills here, and number of bills which are pending can be sorted out here. Total number of stocks available. So these are stocks, current stock in the hand, and how much of still available outside. We have to get in. These are the expense form. So what are the expense you incur in your hotel can be added here, like staff food night, then staff coffee, then any other expense, salary expenses, commission, that can be added in your expense master. So those will be displayed here. Can be added here. So you can search the expenses details here from and to time. So these are the reports like desk reports and admin reports. These are transaction reports of, you can see by each customer wise, mobile number, his previous stay details, otherwise customer name. You can search by even room 108. Those details can be found out. Okay, then comes the monthly report. This is the monthly report or stay details. This is the future stay which has been advancedly booked. This is the current stay details. So the other calendar details will be seen here. You can select by year or month. So check-in details, check-in register details, everything can be seen here. You can take as a report. Check-out summary details. Total receivables, total payables. So this is the GST amount received. You can see by that. So total customer history, this is a customer history, can export the Excel sheet for your future purposes. Next comes the bill details. So you can take a second copy of bill print here. You can take a bill copy print here. Next comes the no arrival report. Some customers no arrival report, station report. So in police, and the police people will coming and asking about the people who have stayed in the hotel and the purpose of stay. So that report can be taken daily on daily basis. This is only for the particular date. This is the station report. No arrival report, occupancy report. So occupancy, based on that number of percentage occupancy, everything can be seen here. 0%, total number of rooms occupied, total number of days. You can see based on that. Next comes the day book report. So this is a day book report. If you want, you can generate and see. This is day book generation. Check-in advance, reservation advance, check-in second advance. So he has paid 1000 rupees as an advance on credit. First advance is 500. So total number of cash in hand. So the previous transactions, narration, who through whom you have done, what's the discount, total receipt, total payments, expense is 500 for rice. We are added in the rice section. That is the expense that is being shown here. How much of cash received, how much of bank received. So the total complete details, and you can, if you click the day close, you cannot make any transaction on particular date. This is the day close details. So first one, this is about the expense report, room collection report. So room collection report is nothing but based on the room type or everything you can see here. Okay. So all those details will be seen. All those details will be shown here. Next comes the service report. So you can see all any service has been provided by the Bhagyaraj or any other employee. So room service like food providing, like that, anything has been done, then will be showed here. Then this is complimentary report, form 2, tax, amenity transaction, pending bills. So if there is any pending bills for the particular date, there is no pending bills here. So there is no report generated here. So all these are admin report, daily audit, all those details like check-in, check-out, cash transaction. So for particular day wise, you can take all this admin reports as well as the disk report. You can change the roles, user, password. Now this is about total the room booking sections. Now if you want to make for the restaurant, if you're having separate restaurant, so if you want to make through room, that is based on table, KOT. So you can select that, print KOT. It's a very fast making of bill. So number of room number 3 has been that is the table 3 has been occupied. Print KOT. So number 3 has been totally. So if you want to close the bill also, you can do it. You can see for 5. So this is one type of report. Another type of report is nothing but the POS system, POS billing report. So if you want to complete this bill, you can click to print. Automatically a print will be generated, and you can take a bill copy of that, and this will be added to the customer along with this. Okay, this can take as a thermal print also. It's a thermal print. Okay. So stock, contact details, raw materials, everything can be added here on cash or to room. So for example, if you want to make a bill, if you want to make so the person is in the table, so he is having his food. You take a printout of a KOT. This small bill will be generated. Now the person sitting on the table 1 of 1, he is asking to add this bill on his room. So we can do that to room. So you have to take a room number, the person on room number 104. So automatically 104 will be added this bill along with that. So bill is generated. So other charges are this. You can see the food details has been added to his bill. So you can do in the same way. Otherwise, you can add the expenses also directly. So this is all about the room booking as well as restaurant management. So you can use the restaurant for your separate restaurant. Otherwise, you can use for the room service also. So this is all about Bigdbiz Hotel Management System. If you have any query, you can contact the same number 9123515998. Other, in case if you want to have more details about our website, you can visit www.bigdbiz.com. bigdbiz.com. Thank you.